How's it going, guys? Amagansett Press, watching the Watchmen, coming to you from the Justice Court in the town of East Hampton, New York. And court's in session today, so we're just actually hanging out to see what's going on around here. And a police vehicle just pulled in where they bring prisoners in and out of the courthouse. So we're gonna stick around and see if anybody's going in or out. And actually, yes, they are. It looks like there is somebody in the back seat. This is the parking in this area is for the judge, court personnel, and police, as you can see on this sign right here. And this is the back entrance that they use for such things. The main entrance where people go in and out is on the other side of the building. How we doing? Good. So yeah, today's Wednesday, so again, court's in session today. This is the communications tower for the town of East Hampton. And then this is the entrance that the people that are coming to court use, and attorneys. Multiple signs, guys. No cameras filming or recording. We have one on each door. Inside the building, it says. And there's also two more on the two inside doors. No cameras filming or recording inside of the building. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look into that, guys. I'm not looking to get myself arrested today. But I'm gonna find out what the deal is with this. And then if I can, which I'm sure I can, if I can find out that these are not lawful orders, these signs, I will definitely come back and challenge them, but I just want to do a little bit of homework first so I don't go in unprepared. So I'm actually going to shut the camera off for a minute. I'm going to go inside and I'm going to ask. Be right back. Alright, guys, so off camera, I went in with my camera off and I just had a conversation with the two court officers inside. And we're going to do a follow-up on this, and I want to do this the smart way. I'm not, as I said, I'm not looking to get arrested today. I don't want watching the Watchmen here to have to walk home. But I went in and spoke to them, and I was given this post-it note, which is the Office of Court Administration, which I was given this by the court officers, and I was told they have a Long Island division, and I can call up and speak to somebody regarding the legality of these signs on the door. Which, as far as I'm concerned, these signs are not lawful. First of all, they don't have a penal code on them. One of the officers did just admit to me that these are house policy. Definitely not law and not a judge's order. So we are going to make a couple of phone calls. We're going to find out what the legality is and see if we can get this situation corrected and get them to take these signs down, because again, they're unlawful. Obviously we are allowed to go in and film in the public area of a public building and stay out of restricted areas, of course, but you know, we should be allowed into the hallways and be able to film. So we're going to continue to we're going to go ahead and follow up on this. This will be a two-part video, and we'll get part 2 out to you as soon as we get some details and information, and we will definitely be back with cameras to go inside once we are armed with documentation and the correct information, which is just the way I like to do things. If anybody out there is going to say I should have just walked in with my camera and demanded to stand up for my rights, there are other channels that do that kind of thing, and you guys see how that works out. So what we're trying to do is affect change in an orderly, civilly disobedient way, and correct these issues. We're not looking to get arrested and give these guys a leg to stand on and you know, kind of diminish what we're trying to do here. So we're going to go ahead and follow up on that. Again, if anybody else wants to give these guys a call, it's the Office of Court Administration. Number's 212-428-2700. If anybody wants to call and just let them know that you're not happy with the fact that the East Hampton Town Justice Court has unlawful signs up saying that there are no cameras filming or recording inside the building. You have a right to redress your government and express your grievances, and we certainly don't want anyone to call up and be rude. No foul language, no yelling and screaming. If you're going to call them up, guys, please be constructive in your phone call and constructive in your purpose. And again, at the end of the day, what we're trying to do here is affect change in a civil way and not create any more problems. There's enough of that going on, and we'll get it done the right way. And keep your eyes open, stay tuned for the next video, and we'll keep you posted, and we'll get it done. So for now, Amagansett Press, watching the Watchmen, coming to you from the East Hampton Town Justice Court in East Hampton, New York. See you soon, guys. Stay tuned for the next episode. Amagansett Press, out.